Have you ever wondered how a simple glass prism led us to discover galaxies millions of light years away? It sounds impossible, but that rainbow of light holds the fingerprints of the universe. Let's start with Isaac Newton. In the 1600s, he passed sunlight through a prism and watched it split into a rainbow. For most, it was a pretty trick. For Newton, it was proof that white light is made of many colors. But what Newton didn't know was that hidden inside that rainbow were cosmic secrets. 2 centuries later, Joseph von Fraunhofer looked closer. Through his spectroscope, he saw hundreds of tiny dark lines breaking the rainbow. They weren't scratches, they weren't errors, they were clues. Clues written in the language of atoms. Here's the science. Every atom, hydrogen, helium, sodium, lets its electrons jump only between very specific energy levels. When light passes through gas made of those atoms, some colors get absorbed. The result? Thin black lines in the spectrum. Each element creates a unique pattern, an atomic fingerprint. Suddenly, scientists like Kirchhoff and Bunsen realized we could now read the sun's chemistry without ever touching it. With this breakthrough, astronomy had its first barcode scanner. Stars weren't just distant dots of light anymore. They were test tubes, shining their ingredients across space. Hydrogen, helium, calcium, iron, all identified by their fingerprints in light. Then came the next revelation. When astronomers pointed their spectroscopes at distant stars and galaxies, they found the same fingerprints, but shifted. If the lines moved toward the blue end, the object was coming closer. If they shifted red, it was moving away. This was the Doppler effect, a way to measure cosmic motion hidden in the rainbow. That's how we discovered that the Andromeda galaxy is racing toward us at 300 kilometers per second, destined to collide with the Milky Way in a few billion years. And it's how Edwin Hubble discovered that almost every other galaxy is rushing away, proving that the universe itself is expanding. So think about this, from a simple prism on Newton's desk, to Fraunhofer's dark lines, to the fingerprints of atoms. This chain of discoveries revealed the true scale of the cosmos. Every rainbow in the sky carries secrets. All you need is the right prism and a curious mind to read them.